Today we're going to talk about something super important in our lives today.
Multimedia ICT stands for Information Communication and Technology.
Now, let's dive on how these tools benefits us on the 21st century.
What is multimedia and ICT in 21st century? Let's quickly define what these terms mean.
Multimedia refers to using different types of contents like text, audio, image, animation, and video to communicate.
On the other hand, ICT involves technologies that help us access, manage, and share information. Together, they shape how we learn and connect.
Common technologies of ICT and multimedia is like educational development, where learning is being shared to the world by communicating through online and by news sharing.
We can also see it in the where kids can see a powerful and also use technology for providing a personal.
Some benefits is how easy it is to access information with just a few clicks. We can find articles, videos, and courses on almost any topic.
This makes learning outside the classroom, just as in the person education. Last, they can connect with friends all over.
Thank you, everyone.
Everyone. Please like and share and subscribe.
And don't forget to click the notification bell.
Bye.